Want to play your favorite Android games on PC with ultra-smooth performance? Let's check out MSI App Player. It's an Android emulator for Windows, built in partnership with BlueStacks. Highlight its gaming focus. Key features: high FPS gaming, up to 240 FPS. Multi-instance mode, run multiple apps and games. Keyboard mouse controller support. Works on any Windows PC. System requirements: minimum 4 GB RAM, 6 GB free disk space, Intel AMD dual-core. CPU recommended 8 GB plus RAM, SSD, dedicated. GPU mention virtualization, VTX, AMDV, for best performance. Why use it? MSI App Player is perfect for gamers who want smoother performance than on mobile, and for content creators who can record gameplay directly on PC. Best of all, it's free to use. Download MSI App Player. Open your browser and go to the official MSI App Player page. Search for MSI App Player Download to find the official MSI site. Click Download. You'll get an installer file. To install MSI App Player, open the downloaded.exe file in your Downloads folder. Choose the default path and click Install. Accept the license agreement. The setup takes just a few minutes, and then you are ready to launch. First launch. After installation, open MSI App Player from your desktop or Start menu. It will initialize the Android environment. First boot may take a minute. You'll see a familiar Android home screen inside the emulator. Next, open the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, you can download apps and games directly, just like on any Android device. After spending a few days experimenting with different games and apps on App Player, here's what I found: the pros and the cons. Why you should install MSI App Player. Run Android apps on Windows. Access mobile-only apps and games directly on your PC. Optimized for gaming, built in partnership with BlueStacks, supports up to 240 FPS and smooth performance. Multi-instance support. Run multiple apps, games at the same time. Customizable controls. Play with keyboard, mouse, or controller, better than touchscreen. Why you should not install MSI App Player. Heavy on resources. Needs a strong PC, 8 GB plus RAM, dedicated GPU, SSD recommended. On weaker systems, it may lag. Storage usage. Base install 6 GB, but games like BGMI can add to 210 GB each. Battery heat on laptops. Running high FPS emulation can drain battery and heat up your device. Compatibility issues. Not all apps run perfectly. Some may crash or fail to connect. So, MSI App Player is a great choice if you want to enjoy Android apps and games on a powerful PC, especially for titles like BGMI or Free Fire. But if your system is weaker, or if you only want to play PUBG Mobile, you might want to consider alternatives like GameLoop. The decision really depends on your needs and your hardware. That's how you install and run MSI App Player. Like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.